Hi, I am Nitin Chopra from Grogy.com, the daily online supermarket. Grogy.com is a digital grocery fulfillment solution which is feature loaded to build a sustainable business. Are you a serious entrepreneur interested in creating a long-term and evergreen business? Grogy.com offers low-cost franchise and helps you to build a profitable business in your city. Join us in the journey to create a network of interested budding entrepreneurs in building a successful online grocery business. So today's topic is delivery channels. Elon Musk of SpaceX and Tesla says, I don't create companies for the sake of creating companies, but to get things done. Grogy.com, the daily online supermarket, is a low-cost, last-mile efficient delivery model that makes us different from other grocery delivery services operating today. Our system is an advanced mass order collection and fulfillment system. 4 things set it apart. First is mass order fulfillment. Second is return management. Third is delivery time management. Fourth is automated delivery agent assignment. Now let's discuss and talk on mass order fulfillment. So what are the features inbuilt in our system that helps in mass order fulfillment? First is multiple crate management. The delivery agent can manage and stack multiple delivery crates of groceries in the delivery vehicle. Our system has an inbuilt crate management to manage multiple orders in a delivery vehicle at a go. Second is optimized delivery area segmentation system. Our system runs on regular area delivery system instead of using on-demand delivery structure. The system is designed to do delivery every day in a specific locality rather than crisscross throughout the city. The system can be configured for multiple deliveries every day in specific area. This delivery model is designed in such a manner that it eases and fastens deliveries. This model also reduces the delivery cost as low as single digit. This keeps the delivery minimum and saves a lot of trips. Third is multi-vendor product collection mechanism. The collection of bifurcated orders from multiple manufacturer, brand, wholesaler or stockist is a great challenge. The system does it automatically and guides the delivery agent for collection through the app. The guidance includes all the location tracking, item information and crate number required for product collection to fulfill multiple orders. Collection of products from multiple vendors at one go, segregating products and stacking of multiple delivery crates in delivery vehicle is the main highlight of our system. The platform guides the delivery agent to segregate the items as per the vehicle and crate number. Every user order is assigned a crate identified by a unique number. Now fourth is multiple delivery mechanism. Last mile delivery facilitates the movement of goods in the supply chain to the final destination. The goal of the last mile delivery is to transport an item to its recipients in the quickest possible way. Our system guides the delivery agent to deliver multiple orders in a specific neighborhood at one go. The system is optimized to guide the delivery agent to which delivery to do next after calculating the distance and time of the nearest delivery point. This is a continuous process till all the deliveries are completed in that specific time slot. Delivery apps can be divided into, first is vertical. This is serving a single industry sector. Second is horizontal. These are those who serve multiple industry sectors. Working on vertical fulfillment is beneficial as we can focus on individual industry and sector and chances to become master leader are better. If you have been seeing all our last videos for this series, you must be clear of the way we have designed the system. But if you have still left with any confusion, please contact us now. Now let's discuss return management. Our system offers instant returns as one of its kind feature inbuilt in the system, as we had talks on this subject in our part 1 video, unique selling and value propositions of this series. Please find the link on the screen. partial or complete order returns can be executed by the delivery agent, and this accounts to be an important part of the delivery system. So what are the features inbuilt for smooth execution of returns? First is on-spot invoice generation. User can inspect the items on delivery and can return any single or complete order to the delivery agent. Delivery agent initiates the return and the user's invoice gets generated for the item received by the consumer. Second is auto vendor account settlement. After the order is executed, the vendor account is settled, accounting the returns. This makes the system more efficient and handy while executing vendor payout. Now our next important point is delivery time management. User, while ordering, can select the timing of delivery as per the convenience, and accordingly arranging efficient delivery system is a great challenge. We designed the system in such a manner so that the fulfillment system can be done on time. So in brief, what are the features inbuilt for timely delivery of orders? First is segregating the orders as per area and delivery time window. The orders are collected based on delivery area and delivery time window. Normal and subscription delivery time window can be managed for different area in the system. Second is order limit on delivery time window. According to delivery vehicle capacity for delivery and other important geographical conditions, the delivery system can be optimized by setting the order limit for every delivery slot time window. The system handles the complete order collection and fulfillment process. Fourth point is automated delivery agent assignment. To make the delivery structure efficient, system auto assigns the order to the delivery agent as per the availability. Two things that determine the assignment of delivery agent are area, locality of delivery. Orders specific to delivery area or locality shall be assigned to particular delivery agent. Delivery time window. Order in the specific delivery time window shall be assigned to particular delivery agent. A delivery agent can execute deliveries for multiple area and complete time slot combinations. Our system can capture the order and auto assign the delivery agent as per the data available. A pilot can execute deliveries for multiple area and multiple time slot combination. This makes less work in the end of franchisees and makes the system more efficient. Normal and subscription delivery slot timing can be managed by the city franchisees for different area. Franchisees can configure the system for n number of deliveries in specific area, in specific delivery window, and by specific delivery vehicle and delivery agent. We shall also discuss on important topic of green delivery. The idea for electrically assisted cargo come in our need to solve the issue of last mile connectivity in a sustainable manner. With no fuel and a charging cost of a few rupees per day, the usage cost of an electrically assisted cargo vehicle for deliveries is next to nothing. Driving an electrically assisted cargo vehicle does not require a driving license or transport capacity in compliance with the regulation on electrically assisted vehicles. Getting to grips with electrically assisted cargo vehicles takes just a few minutes, even without any prior experience. Driving them is extremely comfortable and maintenance is reduced to the minimum. Recharging the batteries does not require any special equipment, as a simple 220-volt socket is sufficient. The electrically assisted cargo vehicles is the most efficient, environmentally friendly vehicle for delivering in the cities. Perfectly adapted for logistics, in that last mile, the cargo vehicle combines the best of a bicycle and a small electric minivan. We design the delivery vehicles for the city franchisees and help them in the procurement process too. We conduct deep market research for franchisees when deciding price points based on demographics and geographical locations. We are your right business and technology partner who is dedicatedly working on developing an online grocery ecosystem. Become our city franchisee. To know more about our franchise, visit franchise.grocery.com. Give a missed call or WhatsApp at 83890 Type the message franchisee followed by your name, gender, age and city of interest. We shall call you back in 24 hours. Please subscribe this channel and click the bell icon for future notification for fresh videos on this subject. Like and comment on this video if you feel it's helpful. Finally, share it if you want to help others. Meet you in my next video on bookkeeping and accounting. Goodbye and take care. Bye.